Hello, welcome to the Stuff and Futurity Tube. When someone turns vegan or wants to stop consuming dairy products, one common question that arises is, does this mean we can't eat pizza anymore? Today I will be sharing a vegan cheesy recipe with you all. So, in today's recipe, I will share how to make cheese from peanuts at home and how to use this cheese to make pizza. Let's start the recipe now. First, we take 1 big cup of raw peanuts and soak it in water overnight. The next morning, wash the peanuts and peel them. Put these peanuts in a blender. Add 2 cups of water to it and blend it properly. Put this mixture in a cooking pot and heat it on medium flame. When the mixture is quite hot, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now you will notice that this milk has curdled. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cool down to room temperature. When the milk has cooled down, strain it with a clean cloth and squeeze it until all the water is removed. Take a plate with a strainer on top of it and place it upside down. Now, place the paneer, which is still wrapped inside the cloth, on top of the strainer. To further remove water from the paneer, place some weight on top of the cloth. Keep it for 4 or 5 hours, so that all the water is strained from it. When all the water has been completely removed from the paneer, leave it overnight in a fridge inside the cloth so that it sets. Now the paneer is ready. Let's see how to make cheese from paneer made from peanuts. Take around 250 grams of the paneer and chop it into small pieces. Put them in a blender and add 1 cup of water. Add 1 small spoonful of lemon juice. Salt as per your taste. And 2 big tbsp of tapioca starch. Blend all of the ingredients together into a thick sauce. Now put a pan on low flame. When it has heated up, transfer the sauce that we have just prepared to this pan. Stir it continuously while the pan is still on low flame. After stirring it for 1-2 minutes, you will start noticing lumps in this sauce. But when you stir it for 1-2 minutes more, the lumps will dissolve. Add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast to it and mix all the ingredients together properly. Now your cheese is ready to be used as pizza topping and is similar in taste and consistency to the mozzarella cheese sold in markets. It can be added fresh to your pizza. You can freeze this cheese if you wish to store it. Next time you are making a recipe with cheese in it, you can grate this cheese and use it. For making the pizza, first take a pizza base and spread any sauce of your choice on it. In the same way that you use market cheese on your pizza, use this cheese and spread it on your pizza. If you like, you can use veggies of your choice. Now we will bake the pizza for 20 minutes in an oven. Our pizza is now ready. Sprinkle chili flakes, oregano, or any seasoning of your choice before serving. If you like this recipe, share it with others. If you have made this recipe in a different way, tell us about it in the comments.